everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this mandala. I use 3.5 millimeters hook, 3.5 millimeters ribbon yarn. I use 3.5 millimeters ribbon yarn. Row 22. Row 22. Make 2 chains, yarn over, go to top of this stitch, this single crochet. We have 2 single crochet in here. We make chains in top of first single crochet. In here, go to next stitch, make 2 1 and double crochet. We have 2 stitches in this stitch. In here, make 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 chains. Go to 1 2 3 4 in fourth stitch. From back of work, insert your hook from back into this stitch. Take this stitch from back, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns together, go to next stitch. In here we have 1 2 3 4 stitch. Take first stitch on your hook from back, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns together. Make 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 chains. Go to top of these stitches in here, single crochet. You can count from here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 in seventh stitch. Yarn over, make 1 double crochet. In next stitch, 1 double crochet. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 chains. Go to this stitch, single crochet. In next stitch, single crochet. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 chains. Go to top of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 in 7 stitch. In top of these stitches, and repeat like this for this row. I make until here. In last stitch I show we make 8 chains. Go to top of first chains, insert your hook, slip stitch, complete row 22. Row 23. In here, make a chain, go to row 23, go to this stitch, make one single crochet, go to same stitch, one single crochet, go to these chains, make one single crochet, two single crochet, three single crochet, four single crochet, five single crochet, 6, 7, 8, 9 single crochet in these chains. Go to these single crochet stitches. We have 2 stitches in here. Go to this stitch, make one single crochet, one single crochet in each stitch. In here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 single crochet. Go to here, 1, 2 in top of this stitch, make one single crochet and repeat 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Go to this stitch, 1, 2 and repeat. I made this round until here. In here, after this stitch, insert your hook into first stitch in this chain. Pull up yarn, slip stitch. Row 24. In here, go to row 24. Add one chain. Count from this stitch. 1, skip this stitch, 1, 2. Skip 1, 2 stitches, this stitch, and skip 1, 2 in this side. Mark this stitch. I show 1, 2, 3, 4, mark 5th stitch. Make yarn over 1 twice. Take this stitch on your hook, make 1 treble crochet in here around this stitch. After this stitch, we make treble crochet in here, 1, 2, 3 chains. Repeat yarn over 1 twice. Take next stitch on your hook, pull through, pull through, pull through 3 times. Aisha, we make 1 treble crochet, 3 chains, 1 treble crochet in here. After this stitch in top of this single crochet stitch, skip 2 stitches, go to marked stitch. Insert your hook, pull up yarn, pull through, make 1 single crochet, count from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In this side, go to top of this single crochet stitch, 8, in next stitch 9 in here, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I show 7 single crochet in this side, 2 in top of this stitch, 7 in this side. In total we have 16 stitches in here. After 16 single crochet, yarn over twice, skip this stitch, go to this stitch, make treble crochet around this stitch, 1, 3 chains, yarn over twice, 2. I show like this stitch. In here, skip this single crochet stitch in top of this stitch, skip 1, 2 single crochet, go to next single crochet. I show, skip this stitch, insert your hook, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yarn over twice and repeat. 1 treble crochet, 1, 2, 3 chains, make V stitch here, and repeat like this for this round. I made these stitches in here, 14 single crochet, 15, 16. After this 16 stitches, skip this stitch, same as this stitch, go to first chain, insert your hook into this chain, pull up yarn, slip stitch, row 25. In row 25, make a chain, take this stitch on your hook, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns together, make 1, 2 chains, yarn over, go to these chains, make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 4 double crochet, 5 double crochet, yarn over, take this stitch on your hook, make 1 double crochet. I show like this. In here, skip 2 stitches, Go to next stitch, make 1 single crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5. In top of these stitches, make 1 single crochet in each stitch. In this side, repeat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have 5 single crochet in this side, 2 in here, 5 in this side. In total we have 12 single crochet between these stitches, and repeat, make 1 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take this stitch, make 1 double crochet, and repeat. Skip two stitches, repeat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Skip two stitches, make like this for this row. I made these stitches until here. We have 12 stitches, single crochet stitch. Go to top of first stitch, in here insert your hook, pull up yarn, slip stitch.